that should be concerning.
Come on, be fair.
No, this is very fair. This is very fair. Would you like to be the subject of daily and nightly attacks? This is very fair. All we're saying is there shouldn't be any bullying, so I agree with that. All I'm saying is that, you see, why must we constantly deal with people who are never seen in the public domain? Never. But they mastermind all these attacks on family, make false accusations, pay somebody called Bell Pottinger. You know them?
Yes.
Eh? PR firms are hired, millions of rands are spent. To do what? To do what? To malign democratic institutions of South Africa. But why don't they come out face to face? Let's have a debate face to face. What the SG has in mind is for the SG to explain. But I think it sets a sufficient amount in the public domain to indicate to us that as a member of the top six of the ANC, he's not entirely happy, and that he doesn't feel empowered enough in those circumstances to have had the opportunity and the ability to influence a key set of decisions. So it's safe to say that if indeed decisions are being made elsewhere, which determine the future of institutions, which impact on the future of our country, then we should all be very afraid. So what should the public do? Organize. Organize.